Hello, wonderful people. I was not planning on doing a video, but I had a problem, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. So I sucked up a sock in a vacuum cleaner. Mind your business. Um, the belt ended up breaking. So I replaced the belt, and then the brush on the vacuum cleaner was not rotating. So I switched the belt, and afterwards it still wasn't rotating. It turns out part of the sock got stuck in the rotating part of the brush. I'm about to show you. I don't have my tripod, so y'all bear with me. But this spins, and you know, this goes inside the vacuum cleaner on the left and the right, and it's supposed to spin without the end spinning. But the sock, part of the sock, along with hair, I always have a lot of hair in my vacuum cleaner, mind your business. I do hair, and I have 3 daughters. But there was hair, and part of the sock was stuck in this part here. So I took a nail, I used scissors, I used anything I could find. It looks a mess, guys. But I took whatever I could find. My fingers are dirty from me working hard over here, y'all. Mind your business. But yeah, there was hair, and part of the sock was stuck in there. And so I was Barbara the Builder, and I put some nails in there and scissors and stuff to clean that out so that it'll rotate. And I fixed it. Yeah. I'm quick to give up and just buy another vacuum cleaner, but I won. Yay me. And now to put the belt on, which is basic. Stand. Okay, so yeah, put the belt on. There is a little thingy that pokes out right here. You just slide the belt on. You slide it on this. One side is circular, one side is this shape here, and you slide it into place like so. Bam. And it's spinning. Yay. Piece of cake.